Have you wondered why most of these speed cubes are made in China? And most of the fastest cubers like Max, Tymon and all of them use like Chinese speed cubes like A.N.U, etc. First of all, they completely ignore and don't give a damn care about international copyright issues. For example, VCube, you know that cube company which was like really at the top at like 2000s because it was only the good brand out there. They had to pay large amount of money to Rubik's company just to get the cube out there in the market.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
So Chinese people can make and produce cubes without giving a care about what Rubik's thinks of them, and like that's the law there in China. So like yeah, like not only in cubes, in every single field that is like going up recently and getting like hype, like Chinese government just makes new like companies just to make those products. Like for example, you can take a spinner. Okay, I'm gonna ask you one question. What is the population of China right now? More than 1.3 billion people out there, right? And have you heard this saying, payment of a job is not determined on how hard the work is, but determined on how hard it is to replace the worker. So there being a lot of people in China, they can just hire like new workers for like very cheap amount. Did you know that China produces 32% of the plastics in the entire world? Which is a lot for a country. And what are cubes made of? Plastics. So they can just buy plastics for a very cheap amount there and make a very good cubes out of them. Have you heard of taxes in China? Well, trust me, it's very low. So cubing factories like A.N.U and A.N.U don't have to pay a lot of taxes for the profit they gain every single year. In conclusion, cubes will be a lot more expensive than today if cubes were made elsewhere. Trust me, A.N.U would cost like $600 by now. And cubes would be like totally destroying the entire world right now. And founder of A.N.U, A.N.U, all of them were gonna be billionaires.
Hello darkness, my old friend.